Booking.com payment failed. How to fix payment problem. So to fix a payment failure on Booking.com, what you have to do is make sure to open up Booking.com and try to go to your payment settings first. For that, tap on the My Account option from the bottom right and go to the option called Payment Methods. Over here, whenever you're adding a card, basically ensure that your card number, expiry date and CVC are correct. And if you're using on browser, try to clear your browser cache as well, and also try to switch to devices that could be causing the issue, or you can try to check with your card provider or issuer to see if there is any sort of basically issue with your card itself. The other thing you can do is, if you're using on Android, long press the app icon and tap the I button to come to app info page, followed by storage usage, where you can clear the cache files and also clear the data. So after you've done this, hopefully it should be able to solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.